Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to our property here at 1580 Electra Street. This property is a freestanding condominium located in the village of Polaris Park community. We are right on the northeast corner of Lozelle and Worthington Galena. This property is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath property with 1,697 square feet. And come in the front door here, and just to the left we have our laundry room. Nice size room, lots of storage in here, plenty of room to get your laundry completed. And immediately to the right we've got our master bedroom. Now this is a really nice size room, plenty of space. You see there's a king size bed in here now. There's plenty of room in this room for other furniture and anything else you might need in the bedroom. And got our master bathroom here, stand-up shower, sink and a toilet, and then a pretty good size closet here. Lots of shelf storage space in the closet, plenty of room here. And take a walk down the hall. We have our first floor half bath right here. Nice bathroom, and then a little closet here under the stairs. Also got our furnace, water heater back in here. And end of the hall we've got our main living area here. This is a really good sized room, gas fireplace, sliding doors to the patio out back. We'll take a look at that in a minute. There's a lot of room in this space. Plenty of room to set up couch, chairs, whatever you like. And then you got your dining area here. Room for a good sized table, and very nice kitchen. You got marble countertops, all stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinet space, very nicely finished cabinets, hardwood cabinets. And there's your garage access door right there. And we'll take a quick look at the patio out back. Very nice patio here, lots of room, got a table and chairs, grill, nice little outdoor area. And we'll head up the stairs and check out the bedrooms upstairs. Also our second full bath upstairs as well. And here we have our first bedroom. Pretty nice sized room. Good sized bed in here, and there's still plenty of room. A lot of space in here. You got a nice closet there in the corner. A lot of room in the closet. And we'll take a look here. This is the full bath, I'm sorry, upstairs. Got a tub and a shower here. And we'll go into the second bedroom here, upstairs, third bedroom in the property. This room is a little bit smaller, but still a nice sized room. Got a good window here, plenty of light, nice sized closet. And also up here on the third floor, you've got a nice little loft area. Pretty decent sized space. You could do a lot with this if you wanted. And that's gonna just about conclude our tour. Once again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,697 square feet. We're located at 1580 Electra Street, and this is just northeast corner of Lozelle and Worthington Galena. Thank you very much.